Advertisement warnings of 80 miles per hour wind gusts as Storm Dylan brings wet end to 2017 less than IMG alt equals flood water src equals http://news.images.itv.com/image/file/1453857/article_update_im.jpg. Greater than Storm Dylan has lashed parts of Ireland and Wales with howling gales in excess of 70 miles per hour and squally rain as it bears down on the UK mainland. Forecasters have warned of severe gusts of up to 80 miles per hour as the storm brings a wet and windy end to 2017. Met Éireann said the strongest winds were recorded at Macehead in Galway, where 74 miles per hour speeds were clocked, while the Met Office said gusts of 70 miles per hour had been detected at Aberdaron on the Clint Peninsula. The highest wind speeds recorded in Northern Ireland were gusts of 59 miles per hour in Killow and Codown. The UK Weather Service has issued an amber warning covering Northern Ireland and parts of Western Scotland, stating there is the potential for injuries or danger to life from flying debris, while a yellow warning extends into northern England and across to the Lothians. Irish forecasters have issued an amber warning of violent gusts and coastal flooding from high seas, along with a yellow warning for inland areas. Wind speeds were expected to increase throughout Sunday morning as Storm Dylan crossed the Irish Sea, its centre on a collision course with Scotland. Last updated Sunday, the 31st of December 2017.